morning. Today we are at Duke of London. It is the final Cars and Coffee. This place has been around for nearly 8, 9, 10 years. I think it originally opened in 2015. As you can see, this actually used to be a really cool pizza place, but now it's been overtaken with classic motorbikes. It's maybe another thing for road trip connoisseur to do in the future. Start biking. I would obviously have to get a license for that. But yeah, no, it's been a great place so far. Thankfully, I think it's stopped raining. It's going to show you around today, show what cars are available, things are for sale, memorabilia are here today for sale, and hopefully we get to speak to the main man himself. But yeah, really looking forward to seeing what the future holds. Unfortunately, this place is coming to an end. Me and my brother have come here, over the years. We've done Porsche nights, it's been really, really cool. Mercedes meets, some movie nights as well, so we can come up in a classic car and watch a movie. So yeah, looking forward to the future. So yeah, see you guys soon and carry on showing you around. Some cool cars today. Thankfully it stopped raining, but Bentley, Morgan, MG, Alfa, Audi, the main man himself. Such a cool place. We have an old school Volvo with a B&W V8 engine. This is pretty cool. You have a hot rod there. A really cool car and such a rare colour combination. Grey with cream interior. You always find silver and black, but no, this is special. The last of the proper V8, the good sounding Ferraris. Where Audi and Quattro really started from. Some classic cars under storage. Famous brown Testarossa. They look so good in person.
So what I'm about to apply
But
is
for me,
this is our
this
flagship
is
product.
where it all started. 930 turbo. This is what my granddad had. And so many fond memories in this car. So the one that granddad had was the English car, right-hand drive. But me and my sister used to get into the back of that there. Good old Ice Maritz, Sun Maritz. Unfortunately got cancelled this year last minute because of heavy snow, but this was a cool poster and I want to get my hands on it. Someone at San Moritz, hit me up, let me know how I can get this poster. There used to be the best pizza in London, but unfortunately it's been taken off my motorbikes. Coffee smells good, I think we'll get one in a bit. Really cool memorabilia in the background there, which you can purchase. Let's go for a little walk, see what we have here. It's always new stuff every time I come.
Because there's a sticker on top or something.
I really want that Ferrari truck. 250 GTO. I feel like a kid again. All these cars here for sale. Beautiful 356, 100 grand. This is a great thing about this place. There's literally something for everyone. You've got old school Ferrari, to Aston Martin DBS, to a classic Maserati, to a Subaru. Not my cup of tea, but totally respect this car for what it is. Stunning Fiat 500 there. BMW i8. Classic Range Rovers there. This Land Rover Defender is probably the ultimate road trip car. Spare tyre, for anyone that knows me, I will need one, maybe two, especially in France. Only thing is, wouldn't want to be using a manual gearbox, but I can deal with that. But it's really cool. Really cool and really rare. I think classic cars are definitely the way forward. Just look at that interior, how clean. And then look at the interior there. Such a beautiful colour combination. This is cool. Hands down the coolest car here. So, what can we expect to see next?
Much of the same, in a very different way. So we're moving one road over to a space that's been purpose-built for us. So for our side, functionality of it's going to be amazing because we've been in a compromised building for so long. But the
Can't believe it's been nearly 10 years.
Yeah, it's mad, man.
Nice, yeah.
But yeah, the new place is going to be much the same: bar, restaurant, cafe,
Sounds
showroom, lots more car storage. We're ramping that up, and yeah, it's going to be cool. Right on the water side, we've got our own little private deck out on the water. It's going to be good.
Cool, man. Well, all the best, and I look forward to seeing you. cannot get over this place. Cars are still coming in. Bentley Turbo R 911, Lotus Elise, some off-road parking over here. Old school G-Wagon. Look at that. Apparently he had plastic bags all over this car's roof this morning so it didn't get ruined. That's how you park in Brentford.